Hello and welcome to Bake and Cook with Passion. I hope you enjoy this recipe for lentils. Lentils are high in protein and fiber, low in fat, which makes them a healthy substitute for meat. The written recipe for lentils is available on bakeandcookwithpassion.com. My name is Melody, and I invite you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I am not a fan of carrots, so of course I've substituted these carrots with yams. I'm using water in this video, but you are welcome to use chicken broth or vegetable broth. of lemon, a dash of olive oil, and a little Parmesan cheese. You can also serve with a slice of flatbread, cornbread, and a nice tossed salad. You can even serve over your favorite rice. Top it with a little parsley and enjoy. My name is Melody. Thank you for watching Bake and Cook with Passion. Please subscribe, like, and share. It helps me bring more videos to you.